students, just pause the video here. Okay, and these 9th and 10th questions I forgot you to give you in homework in last lecture. So just pause the video and note down the question 9 and 10 that you will do in homework. Okay, now we are going to start exercise 2.5. In its first question, it consists 6 questions. In that first question, I'm going to solve 3 questions for you, and 3 questions you will solve yourself. Okay, because all the process are as same as for each and every question, no difference is here. Okay, so I'm going to solve the first question here. See, first question, x by 2 minus 1 by 5 equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Now what the basic thing that we need to find? The instruction is solve the following linear equation. It means we need to find the value of x. So if I take this x by 3 here, plus x by 3 becomes minus x by 3, and minus 1 by 5 becomes plus 1 by 5. Here, if I take the LCM of 6 here, 3 will multiply be here, 3 will be multiplied here, and 2 will be multiplied here. Okay, if I take LCM of 20, okay, 5 will be multiplied here, 5 ones are 5, and 4 will be multiplied here, 4 ones are 4. Now 3x minus 2x is x by 6. Here 5 plus 4 is 9 by 20. Now if I take this 6 here, 6 is in the relation of divide, then it will convert into multiply. So if I take 6, if I take 6 here and 20 here, okay, it becomes 20x, and here 9 6 are 54. Now if I take this 20 into divide, it will become 54 by 20. We can cut here with 2, it becomes 27, and it becomes 10. So we can write it as 2.7. So you may answer it like this, 2.7, or you may also answer it like this, 27 by 10. Both are same. Now what is the second question? n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 equals to 21. Now how can we solve this? Okay, we just simply take the LCM of 2, 4 and 6. Now LCM of 2, 4 and 6 is what? 12. Now to have 12 here, we have to multiply it by 6. So it becomes 6n. We have to multiply here by 3. So 3 3s are 9. We have to multiply here by 2. So 2 5s are 10 equal to 21. Now if I take this 12 here, okay, so it is in relation of divide. It will convert into multiply. Here, okay, here 10 plus 6 is 16n, minus 9n is as it is, and this is as it is. Now if I take the multiply of 12 and 21, it becomes 252, and 16n minus 9n becomes 7n. Now if I take this 7 here in divide, okay, so it will be converted into 252 divided by 7. Now 252 divided by 7 is what? 36. Okay, you can cross check it by dividing it. Okay, that is how you can find the answer. Now the third question is x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 equals to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. We need to find the value of x. So here in left hand side, we are taking the LCM of 3. Okay, so 3 will be multiplied here, 3x, 3 7s are 21 minus 8x. Here we can take the LCM of 6. So here we already have 6, so we doesn't need to multiply here. We have to multiply here by 3. So 5 3s are 15x. Okay, now if we cross multiply here, 6 will be multiplied here. Okay, now 21 is as it is, 3x minus 8x, the signs are different. Here it is positive and here it is negative, so we are going to subtract that. So 8 minus 3 is 5, and 8 is bigger one and its sign is negative, that is why we have taken negative sign here. Okay, and 3 will get multiplied here. Okay, 17 minus 15x is as it is. We can divide 3 by 6, 3 2s are 6. Okay, so if I take this 2 inside, We multiply it here. So 21 2s are 42 minus 5 2s are 10. Here we have 17 minus 15x. So if I take this minus 15x here, it will become plus 15x, and if I take this 42 here, it will become minus 42. Now 15 minus 10 is 5x. Here we have minus 25. So if I take this 5 here in divide, 25 minus 5 is 5, and minus sign is as it is. Okay, that is how you can have the answer. Now rest 3 questions, 4, 5 and 6, you will do it yourself. Okay, now after, okay, this 4, 5 and 6, try it yourself. Okay, now rest of 7 to 10 questions are here. Okay, in between this 7 to 10, I'm solving 8, 9 and 10. Okay, you, as per that, you solve the 7th question. Okay, so I'm starting with the 8th question here. See what the question is. 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 times y minus 9 plus 5 times y plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, to solve this, just simply multiply 15 inside. 15y, 15 4s are 60. Multiply minus 2 inside. Whenever we multiply by minus, sign will get changed. Okay, so it becomes 2y here, and minus minus becomes plus. 2 9s are 18. Plus multiply 5 inside, that is 5y plus 5 6 are 30 equal to 0. Now just simply add and subtract whichever possible. See, 15y plus 5y. So 15 plus 5 is 20. This minus 2y is as it is. See, 30 plus 18, that is 48. Minus 60 is as it is, equal to 0. See, 20y minus 2y, that is 18y. And 48 minus 16 is minus 12, equal to 0. If I take this minus 12 here, minus 12 becomes plus 12. Now if I take this 18 into divide, it will be converted into 12 by 18. Now 12 by 18, if I divide it by 6, 6 2s are 12 and 6 3s are 18. That is how we can have answer of y, that is 2 by 3. As same way, you can do this also. Okay, this is the whole question. This is the left hand side equal to this is the right hand side. Okay, if I multiply 3 inside, it becomes 3 5s are 15 and 3 7s are 21. Here if I multiply minus 2 here, 9 2s are 18z plus minus minus. Here we have minus minus plus, 11 2s are 22 is equal to, multiply 4 inside, 8 4s are 32, 13 4s are 52, and minus 17 is as it is. Okay, now in left hand side, see, 22 minus 21. So 22 minus 21 is 1. Okay, and 15 minus 18, that is minus 3z, equal to, here 32z is as it is. Here the sign is same. Sign is same, so we will add them. 52 and 17 is 69, and sign is minus, so we are taking minus. Now if take this minus 3z into right side, minus 3z becomes plus 3z, and minus 69, if I take it here, it will become plus 69. So 69 plus 1 is 17, and 32 plus 3 is 35z. Now if I take this 35 here in divide, it will go in divide here. Now 70 upon 35, that is 2. 35 2s are 70, we can say it. Okay, so that is how we can have answer of z equal to 2. Now 10th question, 0.25 into 4f minus 3 equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. First of all, we need to simplify this. Instead of 0.25, we can write 25 by 100, and here instead of 0.05, we can write 5 by 100. If I take this 25 by 100 here, we all know that this is 100 is in relation of divide, so it will convert into multiply, and this is in the relation of multiply, so it will convert into divide. Rest part is as it is. Okay, we can cut this 100 by 100. We can cut this as 5 1s are 5 and 5 5s are 25. Now if I take this 5 here, it will convert into multiply again. So if I multiply this by 5, so it will become 5 4s are 20, and here 5 3s are 15, equals to, Now there is nothing left to multiply inside, so we will take it as it is. Now if I take this 10f here, plus 10f becomes minus 10f, and minus 15 becomes plus 15. Okay, so 20f minus 10f, 20 minus 10 is what? 10, and 15 minus 9, 15 minus 9 is 6. If I take this 3 here, it becomes 6 by 10. If I cut it by 2, it will be 2 by 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10, so we can say it is 3 by 5, or we can also say it like 6 by 10 equals to 0.6. That is how we can have answer. Both answers are valid and same. Okay, thank you students. Just try the other questions yourself. It is very easy to do, and if you find any difficulty, then just get back to me and I'll solve your problem. Okay, thank you.